What's up guys, it's me your Umair Geek. If you're looking for a fast charger, a fast quick charge 3.0 quick charge, then here is the Baseus Dual USB Charger. Let's jump to the table and do the unboxing and review. Very excited to do the unboxing of the Baseus Dual USB adapter or quick charger. This have like 12 volt up to, okay, so it can support up to like 18 watt easily. Yeah, 12 volt, okay, 12 volt and 1.5 amp, like 12 times 1.5 equal 18 watt. Let me open the box for you. Okay, here we go. I'm literally very much excited. Let's see. This is a UK plug. In Hong Kong we use a UK plug. Even in Kenya we use the UK plug. Now let me take it off. The good thing is this size. You can get in UK or a UK plug, or like the Korean EU plug, similar to Korean plug, or the USA plug. This is a 18 watt 1 amp, and this is 3. It's a quick charger, to be honest with you. Literally I'm very much excited. Wow, this is very good quality. Can I recommend it? Definitely yes. It was me, none other than Umair Geek. Subscriber.
Allah fahab li